The brand new road bikes for beginners 2021. Road bikes are bicycles designed to take you as far and as fast as your legs can manage on paved surfaces. The road bike gets its name from the terrain it is designed to be used on, the road. At first glance, the road bike hasn't changed a great deal over the years. Compared to a complex full suspension mountain bike, it's a traditional bicycle with a near identical silhouette to those raced 50 years ago. Of course, there's nothing traditional about the carbon brake frames and electronic 24-speed drivetrains we see now on high-end machines. Modern bikes are faster, more comfortable and more technologically sophisticated than ever before. So we've rounded up brand new road bikes on Amazon that you can buy now. 1. Schwinn Fastback Carbon 150 Road Bike. Designed for advanced to expert riders who want to go farther and faster on a bike built for superior performance. Suggested rider height range, 5 feet 0 inches to 5 feet 3 inches. Schwinn road-tuned NLITENED black label carbon frame and Schwinn race carbon fork with carbon tapered steerer. Full Shimano 105 22-speed drivetrain with Shimano 105 and 50/34 T compact crank, Shimano 105 STI shifters, and Shimano 11 to 32 T cassette. 2. Twitter Cyclone 700C 22-speed full carbon. This is brand new, multiple colors available message after ordering to confirm your color. Failure to do so will result in us sending black color. Shimano Ultegra Groupset, net weight, 8.5 kgs, gross weight, 11 kgs, speed, 22 speed, frame material, carbon fiber, fork material, carbon fiber, rim material, carbon fiber, load capacity, 160 kgs, braking system, hydraulic disc brake. 3. SAVADECK Phantom 2.0 Carbon Fiber Road Bike. SAVADECK ready ride bikes are hand-built and shipped straight to you. All you need to do is put on the front wheel, seat post, and pedals. Yes, the brakes are dialed in and the derailleurs are adjusted. Just pump up the tires and get out to ride. Toray T800 carbon fiber frame, fork, handlebar, seat post and wheelset. It's a lightweight and stiff carbon road bike at 7.8 kilograms, 17.2 pounds, also designed to offer more compliance. 4. SAVA Winds of War 2.0 Carbon Fiber. This is brand new, multiple colors available. Shimano 105 Groupset, we can upgrade to Shimano Ultegra for upcharge, net weight, 9.8 kgs, speed, 18 speed, frame material, carbon fiber fork material, carbon fiber, rim material, aluminum alloy, upgrade to carbon fiber for $249 upcharge. 5. Twitter Thunder Road Bike. This brand new, Shimano Ultegra Groupset, net weight, 8.7 kgs, gross weight, 13 kgs, speed, 22 speed, frame material, carbon fiber, fork material, carbon fiber. Rim material, aluminum alloy, load capacity, 160 kgs and braking system, hydraulic disc brakes. 6. Eastway Men's Street 1.0 Steel Road Bike. Strong Reynolds 520 steel frame, classic styling and graphics, comfortable riding position, fitted mudguards and rack mounts for practical everyday riding. Eastway bikes are designed specifically for the needs of the urban sports cyclist. They made their bikes durable to withstand everyday riding and versatile for all types of rider, but above all they are built for speed. 7. Eastway Men's R2.0 Carbon Road Bike. High-performance carbon road bike, super stiff full carbon frame and fork, reliable and responsive Mavic Axiom wheels and SRAM Apex group set for flawless shifting. 8. Barrow Carbon Fiber Road Bike. Barrow products were made mainly with Toray T800 carbon fiber, to increases the strength and the rigidity, which makes it work in great safety and speed up quickly in dancing. Derailleurs Shimano Tiagra Street 4700, frame, Barrow carbon fiber unibody, net weight, about 8.3 kg. 9. Twitter Stealth Road Bike. This brand new with multiple colors available, it used Shimano Ultegra Group set with net weight, 8.7 kgs, gross weight, 11 kgs, speed, 22 speed, frame material, carbon fiber, fork material, carbon fiber, rim material, aluminum alloy, load capacity, 160 kgs and braking system, hydraulic disc brake. 10. Diamondback Podium 5 Road Bike. Is it about performance or is it about envy? Only you know the true answer. Either way, the Podium 5 is the stuff that dreams are made out of. First comes the all-new AMMP carbon monocoque competition road frame that is exceptionally lightweight without compromising the nimble feel that every race bike should have. Second comes the FSA Gossamer Racing Double BB30 crankset. Round that all out with Shimano 105 derailleurs, brakes, and 10-speed dual control shifters, and the set of aerodynamic Easton Road wheels become icing on the cake. Affordable and lightweight, that's the name of this game. 11. Raleigh SP Road Bike. Monocoque frame construction provides the best balance of performance and cost with a frame weight of just 1,050 grams. Unidirectional toray high modulus carbon fiber delivers a frame that is stiff, light and strong. Oversized BB and chain stays combined with flared and flattened seat stays maximize power transfer. Raleigh C4 full carbon monocoque fork weighs 450 grams, reduces flex and twisting for more control in tight situations. 12. Diamondback Bicycle Century 2 Road Bike. Designed to be ridden all day, every day, the revamped Century 2 sports an aluminum frame featuring our enhanced performance geometry. With a slightly taller head tube than a road race bike, it helps the rider maintain a more upright, less fatiguing body position. 13. State Bicycle Road Bike. The SRAM Force ETAPAX's drivetrain that features quick and precise electronic shifting over the lightweight 10 to 33 cassette. Riders can choose whether they want the simplicity of SRAM's 1X system, or a wider range of gears by selecting the 2X crank. 14. SAVA pursuing the Winds 6.0. Brand new with multiple colors available using Shimano 105 Groupset, net weight, 8.1 kgs, speed, 22 speed, frame material, carbon fiber fork material, carbon fiber, rim material, carbon fiber, load capacity, 100 kgs, braking system, hydraulic disc brake, height, 160 to 185 centimeters and weight, 8.1 kilogram. 15. Triero Carbon Aero Road Bike. The A8 frameset is constructed from carbon fiber toray T700 bike frame, Drivetrain Groupset Senior Force 22S, hand-built with FL50 Novatec AS511SB, FS522SB hub and Sapim CX Ray spokes wheelset. 2-year warranty for the frame and wheelset. 16. ICAN A2 Triero Carbon Road Bike. The A2 frameset is constructed from carbon fiber toray T700 bike frame. Drivetrain Groupset SRAM Red, hand-built with DT240S hub and Sapim CX Ray spokes wheelset. Frame size, 48/50ths, 52/54ths, 56/58ths of a centimeter and 2-year warranty. 17. SAVA Phantom 3.0 Carbon Fiber. This brand new with multiple colors available, Shimano ultegra Groupset with net weight, 8.2 kgs and speed, 22 speed. Frame material, carbon fiber and fork material, carbon fiber. 18. Twitter Sniper Road Bike. This brand new with multiple colors available, Shimano ultegra Groupset with net weight, 9.2 kgs and speed, 22 speed. Frame material, carbon fiber and fork material, carbon fiber. 19. JIASHANHAO Road Bike. Rigidity and lightness, using aluminum alloy thick frame, light body, but strong load capacity, good downhill stability. Accurate and smooth, precise speed change, strong control, and more labor-saving riding. 20. Serif Carbon Fiber Road Bike. TTX2 Aero Carbon Road Frame and Fork, with aluminum alloy aero handlebar and Shimano Street R7000 Road Shifter.